Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will discuss how we can implement JavaScript in HTML file. For that, we have a two-way to implement JavaScript. First is inline JavaScript. Second is external JavaScript. In inline JavaScript we place a script tag in the head tag, and in this script tag we write our JavaScript code. The script tag is an HTML element used to include or define client-side JavaScript code within an HTML document. Instead of a head tag, we can also place a script tag in the body tag. But I recommend that you use a script tag in the bottom of body. The reason is that, if you have a large file of JavaScript and you can use in head tag, it take more time to reload your website because first run your script file and after that your website load. Due to this reason you add a script tag at the bottom of the body tag. Second method is external JavaScript. In this method, first, we create a JavaScript file with a .js extension. Next, I place a script tag in HTML file, and in this script tag we take the src attribute, and in this attribute, we pass our JavaScript file name which we create externally. Like inline JavaScript, we can also use external JavaScript in both head and body tag. Now, we will see a practical example. I have opened my code editor. Here, I have index.html file, and in this file I have basic HTML code. Now, I want to use a JavaScript in this file. For that I use script tag in the head tag. And in this script tag, we can write our JavaScript code. So, in script I write document.write method. In parenthesis I place a double quote, and in this quote I write hello world. At the end I write semicolon. To close the statement. So, in browser you can see I get a output successfully. So, what is document.write method? Document.write is a JavaScript method that is used to dynamically generate and insert content, typically text or HTML, directly into an HTML document. It allows you to add content to a web page at the point in the HTML document where the script tag containing the document.write code is placed. Next, we discuss how document.write work. When the browser encounters a script tag containing document.write, it will execute the JavaScript code within the script tags. The document.write method takes one or more arguments, which are treated as strings. These arguments can be plain text, HTML code, or a combination of both. The content specified as arguments to document.write is inserted into the HTML document at the location of the script tag. It effectively replaces any existing content at that location. Now, I write one more document.write method, and in this method, I write a text, Honey Web Designer, and save the file. In browser you can see I get both output, hello world and Honey Web Designer. So, now instead of head tag I write a script tag in our body tag and see what happen. First I remove script tag from head tag. Now, you can see our browser is empty. Next, I write a script tag in body tag. And in this script tag I write document.write method, and in this method again I write hello world. So, you can see again I get output in our browser. If you're using script tag in head tag or in body you can get output properly. Now, we check how we can use external JavaScript. For that first we need to create an external JavaScript file. You can give any name to this file, but keep in mind save this file with .js extension. Next, we can place a JavaScript file in our HTML file. So, I remove the script tag from here. Next, I write a script tag. In this script tag I write src attribute. And in this attribute I write our JavaScript file name. Now, our JavaScript file is connect with HTML file. Next, I open my JavaScript file and write a JavaScript code. In JavaScript file, I write document.write method, and in this method again I write hello world. In browser, you can see I get a hello world successfully. I write one more document.write method, and in this method I write a text what is JavaScript. In browser you can see again I get a output successfully. Now, I use a JavaScript file in body tag, so now I use this in head tag and see what happen. So I cut this line of code from here and paste in head tag. So, you can see I get the same output. You can use a script tag anywhere as you want, in head tag or body. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Patreon for more tips and tricks. Link in description.